Good morning, Year 4. Happy Monday. Welcome to the start of our final week of home learning before the half term. Well done. You've been amazing. So I'm really proud of you all, and I hope that you're all feeling proud of yourselves too. I will try and keep this video short for you because it is our spelling test for today. And just a quick reminder, remember I'm giving you the strategies here to help you spell these words. So it's not me giving you the answers, it's me giving you the strategy. So if a word is going to have I-O-U-S, sometimes or often you can hear that I sound. Okay, not always, but it helps because we can hear the I. If we are adding E-O-U-S, we can often hear the E or a J sound. Okay, so J or E. And often the root word for the J will have an E on the end anyway. And then finally, the O-U-S, we have to change the O-R. We have to change the O-U-R into an O-R, okay? So honour in last week's, we had to take out that U and then add the O-U-S on the end, okay? So just a real quick reminder, and I will try and say some of the spellings in a slightly different way so you can sometimes hear those sounds as well. So number 1, there are going to be 10. Number 1 is delicious. Delicious. Number 2, obvious. 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 Don't know if that helped. Number 3, outrageous. Outrageous. Number 4 is a forget-me-not-for. It is grammar. Number 5 is a forget-me-not-for, and it's an exception to this rule. It is famous. Famous. Number 6 is infectious. Number 7 is humorous. Humorous. Number 8 is previous. And then number 9 and number 10 are forget-me-not-for words. Number 9 is medicine. And number 10 is occasionally. So take it back if you need to rehear any of those spellings, and then I will show you the answers in a second. So I'll give you the chance to pause. And I will show you 1, 2, 8. Let me get my visualizer, that'll be easier. I couldn't get the visualizer to show this whiteboard without the light reflecting off it. So to make it very, very clear, I'm going to type it on here for you. So number 1 was delicious, delicious. And I know it sounds like a sh sound, but it's C-I-O-U-S. Okay, it's one of those tricky ones where there is a C in there when it sometimes sounds like a sh. Number 2 was obvious. Obvious. There's an I sound there. Number 3, outrage. So the root word is outrage, and that's got an E on the end. And often we keep that E when we are adding the O-U-S, and you can hear it as well, outrageous. Not the E, sorry, the J sound that comes with the E. Outrageous. Number 4 was grammar, and grammar is A-R. Often people put E-R, it's not grammar, it's grammar. Grammar, but I don't say it like that, it's grammar though, A-R. Number 5 is that it's forget-me-not-for, and it's also the exception, that's the one. So famous is not spelt like that. We get rid of the E, okay, and we just add O-U-S. And like I said, it's when the root word ends in an E, often we keep it, but for famous, we don't. Don't ask me why, we just don't. One of those things that we just need to remember that we don't do that. So I will now, so that it's in the same font, we will do number 6, which was infectious. And so infect is the root word. So that's why there's a T there, infect, because you don't say infectious, but there is a T because of the root word. So infectious. Number 7 was humorous. So if we write the word humor, we need to get rid of that U. So it's humorous. Maybe I spelled the word wrong. Humorous is that O-R-O-U-S. Number 8 was previous. So previous. So previous. Those E sounds are both different. So E for the E and then I for the ES. Very confusing. This is a tricky rule. I'm sorry, guys, but you are doing really, really well. Number 9 was medicine. Again, a C, when you hear an S kind of sound, you know, we like to just make it difficult, don't we? And throw in some C's instead of S's. Medicine. And then finally, this is a big word. It's got lots of doubles in it. Occasionally. So occasion is double C, 1 S. Occasion. Because we want the jeune. And then so occasionally is occasionally, because we've done the alley and the ly rule before. So occasionally you can hear that occasionally. So it's alley on the end. Okay, so we've got a double C and a double L. So mark them for me, get your an adult to mark them, or you can mark them yourself because I trust you all to show integrity, and then send us in your scores. Well done, guys. Well done for keeping going with a really tricky spelling rule. It's one of the hardest that we teach. Okay, so keep it up. Have a fantastic week, and I will see you in the next video.